ওয়েলকাম টু মূর্তি। আজকের ভিডিওটা একটু অন্যরকম হতে যাচ্ছে। কয়েকদিন আগে আমি একটা দারুণ প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যের জায়গা ঘুরতে গিয়েছিলাম, তো ভাবলাম জায়গাটা তোমাদের সঙ্গেও শেয়ার করি। কিন্তু আমি যেহেতু ইংরেজি পড়াই, তাই এই ভিডিওটার মাধ্যমেও আমি চেষ্টা করেছি যাতে তোমরা ইংরেজিতে কিছু শিখতে পারো। তাই এই ভিডিওটার মাধ্যমে আমি তোমাদের দেখাবো কিভাবে একটা জার্নি এবং যে জায়গাটিতে তুমি যাচ্ছ সেই জায়গাটির বর্ণনা কিভাবে তুমি কাউকে ইংরেজিতে দেবে। এতে তোমাদের কিন্তু ইংরেজি বলার ফ্লুয়েন্সিটাও বাড়বে। সেই সঙ্গে আমি যে প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যটা উপভোগ করেছি সেটাও কিন্তু তোমাদের দেখাবো। সেখানে কিভাবে যেতে হয়, সেখানে কোথায় থাকা যায়, এর সমস্ত বর্ণনা আমি এই ভিডিওটাতে দেব এবং সমস্ত কিছুই হবে ইংরেজিতে। এই ভিডিওটাতে আমি কোনো বাংলা ওয়ার্ড ইউজ করিনি, কিন্তু প্রতিটি লাইনের বাংলা মানে তোমরা ভিডিওটির বটমে দেখতে পাবে। সো ওয়েলকাম টু দ্য চ্যানেল লার্ন মেট ইংলিশ। উই আর গোয়িং টু স্টার্ট আওয়ার জার্নি। সো লেটস গো। Today, I am going to start my journey from Dhupguri. Though there are many ways to go to Murti. Murti is a place of natural beauty which is situated in Meteli block in the Malbazar subdivision of Jalpaiguri district in the state of West Bengal. It is 84 kilometers away from Shiliguri. Those who want to come from Shiliguri can hire a car from New Jalpaiguri railway station or Tenzing Norge bus stand. Cars are available from both of the places. Sometimes after starting of your journey, you will see the very forms of beauty of nature. Along with nature, the beautiful Coronation Bridge over the river Tista will amuse you. Then, after crossing some other rivers, hilly road and tea gardens, you will reach Murti. But those who want to go from Jalpaiguri can take other route. They can cross the beautiful Lataguri forest and can reach Murti. But today I have started my journey from Dhupguri. This is beautiful Gilandi river you are watching now, 4 kilometers away from Dhupguri. Two beautiful delta islands are created in the middle of the river. Then you can see the widespread paddy field that meets the horizon. Soon after, the eye-soothing natural beauty in the form of Sonakhali forest will welcome you. Sonakhali forest is a mixed jungle under Jalpaiguri forest range. The trees like shal, teak, thup, banyan grow here, and they live various types of animals like elephant, cheetah, bison, monkey, and various types of birds also live here. The river, namely Nonai, flows through the middle of the forest, and this forest is a part of Gorumara National Park, West Bengal. Such natural beauty always attracts the nature lovers. Spend some time in such a place of natural beauty. It will surely awaken your innermost feelings of peace and happiness. This is the opposite part of Sonakhali forest. Here you can see a Mazar Sharif. Here, in a particular time of the year, a fair is held. People of all religions come to the fair. They show their respect to the Mazar and enjoy the fair very much. The whole area becomes crowded at the time of the fair. Goyarkata Tea Estate. Beautiful tea gardens are seen on the both sides of the road. The economy of Duars is based on three T's, that is tea, tourism and timber. Tea industry is the main industry of Duars. Thousands of people are engaged in the tea estates and tea factories. Many people from various parts of the world come only to enjoy the beauty of this tea garden. Hundreds of acres of the land are covered with tea plantation, as if the earth is covered with thick green carpet. In the tea garden, you can see thousands of tall trees standing to provide shades to both the tea plants and the workers who work in the garden. You can see the beauty of the tea garden for hours, but your eyes will never get tired. This is newly planted tea garden. After 2 to 3 years, the tea leaves will be ready to be plucked. Crossing Goyarkata, we are on the Holdibari road. This road meets with National Highway 17. This is Lakhipara Tea Estate, as beautiful as the others. Now we are on the National Highway 17. The road is very beautiful and smooth. The scenario besides the road will amuse you in every moment. Now we have come another place of tourist attraction. This is Diana Bridge. The name of the river is Diana. The place always attracts the tourists, especially in winter season. Thousands of picnic parties come in winter to enjoy the day in this beautiful place. On the both sides of the road, you are viewing the beautiful tea gardens. This is Grassmore Tea Estate. Now we are on Dhupjhora road. After crossing a dense forest, we reached Murti. The place is famous for its picturesque scenery. Excellent scenic beauty is the main attraction of this site. Gorumara National Park and Chapramari Wildlife Sanctuary are very close to Murti. The place is so beautiful that I can't express in words. You will just become spellbound if you visit the place. I am very excited. This is the beautiful Murti River. The name of the place is named after the river. It is a great place for nature lovers and bird watchers. If it's possible, come and visit the place. I assure you, you will enjoy the place very much. There are good arrangements to stay here. The resorts you are viewing now are always ready to welcome you. You can book them online also. The resorts and cottages are also very beautiful. Air-conditioned cottages are also available here. Those who stay the nights here often get the chance to see the wild animals like bison, various types of deer, and many other animals in the early morning and in the evening hours. A trip to such a place easily takes away the tiredness of our routine life. Hope you have enjoyed the trip with me. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.